Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what I had over 5 nights for my dinners. This is part of my meal planning mini series. If you want to watch parts 1 and 2, I'll link the playlist above and in the description below so you can check out the first 2 parts if you want to. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so it is Monday evening and I am cooking vegetable curry, which is a 28 by sandalwood recipe. So I've got the broccoli I purchased today. It says I only need half a broccoli, but I might just do the whole thing because I really like broccoli and I want to bulk it up a bit more. Well, it says 1/2 of an eggplant, but my husband and I don't like eggplants, so we're going to use zucchini instead, and I just had these in the fridge already. And I also already had the coconut milk and a tin of crushed tomatoes, and I also already had the onions. So the only thing that I bought for this recipe, I think, was the broccoli. Everything else is stuff that I've had already that I'm using up. Okay, so it's looking good. The veggies are pretty much all cooked. All I need to do is add the spinach and wait for that to wilt down. It'll be done. The spinach is fresh spinach that I didn't quite use up, so I put it in the freezer, and then I'm just going to put like a few handfuls in there and mix it in. We just finished dinner and the curry went down better than I thought it would. My son actually ate quite a bit. He sort of ate around the vegetables he didn't like, but he liked the broccoli and the zucchini. He's not so keen on tomato and onion and spinach, but he did like the sauce and he ate the rice. And then my baby kind of picked at it and ate all around the vegetables. She ate the rice. But then when I started spoon feeding her, she ate all the vegetables, which was great. And of course my husband ate it as well, even though vegetarian is not really his favourite. He'd prefer it to have meat. But I think it went down really well. Bye! 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 And I've also got enough leftovers. The front one here is for my lunch tomorrow. And then the one here is for my baby to eat. And then I'll cook something different for the guys and myself tomorrow night. Alright, so it's Tuesday and dinner is cooking. It's Taco Tuesday today. That was on my meal plan. And so I'm just cooking the beef mince with the taco seasoning. And today for lunch I had leftover vegetable curry, and I've still got 1 serving left. I was initially saving it for my daughter to have with her dinner tonight, but she ate like 2 big servings of lunch today. So she was quite tired and cranky when we got home. So I thought best just to feed her a really quick dinner. So I gave her peanut butter on toast and an apple, and she was happy with that. Put both kids in the bath and then put baby to bed, and now my son is just watching a bit of TV in the lounge, and we'll just have dinner and then he'll go to bed. Hubby's going to be late tonight, so I'm just going to keep his and he'll just reheat it when he gets home. Dinner's served. These are my ones here, and I've pretty much got a bit of everything except for the cheese. So I've got a bit of the spicy taco sauce on the bottom of the taco, and then I put the meat on top, and then I top it with a salad. So I've got corn, carrot, and some baby tomatoes there. This is Bud's. He's got a deconstructed one here because it broke, but he likes sort of eating them when they're kind of flat and broken like that. And he doesn't have any of the spicy sauce. He's got cheese, and then I put the hot beef straight over the cheese so it melts, it goes all yummy. And then he's got corn and carrot because he doesn't really like tomato, with a little bit snuck in there. Hopefully he doesn't really notice. So that is Taco Tuesday. So today is Wednesday, and I had to pick up Bud and take him to the dentist today, and I had a horrible night last night with the baby, not sleeping very well. She's been really cranky today, so I'm a bit exhausted. Stopped off at the chicken shop on the way home and got a whole chook. You can see that in there. And some chips, and I'm going to do like some salad and veggies with it. So Bud has got chicken. He likes the wings, so I always give him a wing. And he's got carrots because you need your carrots at lunchtime, did you, or recess? So he brought home some carrot sticks, so he's having that now with corn. And then once he's eaten this, he'll get some chips. So I always make the kids eat their chicken and veggies first. And then Toots has got the same except for the carrot sticks, and then once she's eaten this, I'll give her a few chips as well. Is it yummy, is it? Then I'm going to have my chicken with this really lovely cauliflower salad bowl that I got from Woolies. and it's got like beets in it and carrots. So it comes with like these little like little currants, I think they are, and coconut flakes. So I'm going to sprinkle some of those on. It's really yummy, and I might dress it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar as well. I might treat myself to some chippies as well. She's just running circles around me in the kitchen. So I just wanted to say too, I know there'll be some people out there who'll probably be like, oh, you're feeding your kids hot chips for dinner, you know, that's really unhealthy. You know, this is real life. Sometimes we get busy, we get tired, we just want to feed our hungry kids, and sometimes we want a treat. And you know, I was happy to have some chips as well. You know, this is real life, and I'm not going to pretend that I don't feed my kids sort of naughty food from time to time. Hey guys, so it's now Friday, and sorry, I was a bad vlogger yesterday. I didn't really vlog. My husband took the day off work because it was my last kid-free day before, sorry, it was between pop down, my last kid-free day before I returned to work. So he took about half a day off. He was working most of the morning, and I had a YouTube video to get up, which you've probably already seen. It's a minimalism YouTube collab that I did with some lovely mums. And then after that was finished, we went and saw a midday movie. We went and saw Red Sparrow, which is a great movie, by the way. And then wandered around the shops for a bit, went and picked up the kids from care, and then took them out for an early dinner. So we went and had Japanese food. I didn't vlog because my son was in a school uniform and my husband's very camera shy, as you know, but I did get a couple of shots of the food, and it was so delicious. It was really, really yummy. And that's a rare treat. We hardly ever go out for dinner because it's a little bit hard with the kids, and also it's expensive. So going out to dinner at a restaurant is very, very rare, either without the kids or with the kids. It's like I've mentioned before, so I'm just stirring my sauce for dinner. We don't have family here, so yeah, we never get anyone to babysit, so yeah, we never go out for dinner without the kids. So tonight I am still sticking to the plan and cooking the Sicilian pasta. It's like a tuna and tomato pasta, and it's super easy. I feel like I haven't even done any chopping. All I've done is like open some cans and packets and stuff. So I'll just quickly show you where I'm at. I've got my sauce going, which is tuna and tomatoes, but garlic in there. You can put chili, and I think there's capers and olives as well, but I don't have any capers, and I'm gonna like maybe chop up some gherkins and put them on the side, and also some olives, but I'm not gonna put olives in there because my husband doesn't like them. And then if I put like chopped up gherkin in there, my son won't eat it. And this is our pressure cooker, but I'm not using it as a pressure cooker tonight. I just didn't have a pot big enough for all the pasta because I'm like doubling the recipe. As you can see here, all I've done is like open up tons and tons of cans here. Here's my jar of olives, and then I've got this gluten-free San Remo pasta from Woolies. So yeah, it's going to be really, really easy dinner tonight. Monday we had the vegetable curry, Tuesday the tacos, Wednesday we had chicken and chips. We didn't end up having sushi, although we went out on Thursday and had a bit of sushi and a couple of other things at the Japanese restaurant. I didn't end up doing that. We did chicken and chips instead because it was just a horrendous day that day, and then that was my husband's day off, and then tonight we're doing Sicilian pasta. So this is why I typically will leave a couple of days free, because things get swapped around. Not saying we will go out to a restaurant every week or get takeaway every week, but sometimes I'll just want to, I don't know, throw some fish fingers in the oven or do toasted sandwiches or just do something easier. So tomorrow we could probably do like a sushi kit and some homemade fried rice and toasted sandwiches on the Sunday. I don't know, I'll play it by ear depending on how our weekend goes. And there it is. The recipe says usually you put the olives and the capers, or in my case chopped gherkins, into the sauce and heat it up together, but I've done it sort of deconstructed because the rest of my family don't like olives and the kids won't eat gherkins. It's been topped with a bit of lemon juice as well. This is my husband's, he doesn't like olives. This is Bud's, the tuna tomato pasta. And then my daughter's, what I do is I split it up because I find that the sauce cools quicker if I put it in a ceramic bowl, wait for it to cool a bit, and then spoon it on top. So yeah, that is dinner for Friday night. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I ate this week. The reason why I'm only doing 5 nights this week is because I'm going to take the weekend off vlogging I'm returning to my job on Monday after taking 2 years of maternity leave, so I want to take this weekend off vlogging and just enjoy the time with my family. If you haven't seen part 1, that is when I actually did the meal planning and the grocery shop. Go and see the earlier video or videos and it'll make more sense because that is the meal planning and shopping part. So I hope you enjoyed these types of videos. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And of course, I'd love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.